The HOVERAir X1 Self-Flying Camera is a pocket-sized drone that offers a unique hands-free experience with its intelligent follow-me mode, making it perfect for capturing action-packed moments. With its lightweight design, weighing only 125 grams, this drone is highly portable and easy to use, requiring no FAA registration. The drone features pre-programmed flight paths, allowing users to enjoy a variety of automatic and intelligent flight modes with ease. Equipped with high-quality image and HDR video shooting capabilities, the HOVERair X1 captures stunning visuals with a maximum resolution of 2.7K at 30 frames per second. The HOVER X1 app offers real-time monitoring and manual control, providing users with the flexibility to optimize their flight paths for the perfect shot. With 32 gigabytes of internal storage, the drone ensures complete privacy and convenience, eliminating the need for SD cards and allowing easy content sharing through its app.